Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about three-part CIA exam and the CIA challenge exam. We have got so many queries from my fellow members about the difference, to understand the difference between both of them, whether there is any difference in the designation and the award, the certification which will be awarded if we pursue three-part exam or we pursue the CIA challenge exam. So I try to explain the difference between both of them and what are the different similarities in these two courses, right? So first of all, I would like to tell you these are not two courses, this is only one course. Actually there is a this is the certification called CIA, which we call Certified Internal Auditor. It is exams are handled by the IIA, Institute of Internal Auditors. So whenever we say about CIA, CIA is the, you can say, the Mount Everest in the field of internal audit. If you are carrying such kind of certification, you will be able to demonstrate your excellence, your knowledge, your professional guidelines, and the also the best practices across the internal audit practices, right? So CIA certification, you can say, is the biggest one certification available across the globe, right? So I would recommend each and every person who is in the field of internal audit or wish to grow, wish to be part of the internal audit of any organization, be it the consulting or it's the corporate or corporate. So in both of the places, this certification is highly in demand, right? So moving on to the main topic of our this video is the CIA three-part exam and the CIA challenge exam. So actually the certification is one only. There are two ways to do it. One is the CIA three-part exam, another is the CIA challenge exam. So why there are, when the certification is same, why there are two different way of doing this course? The reason behind it, actually the three-part exam, there will be actually 3 levels and there will be one exam for each level, or we can say that there will be 3 examinations, right? So 3 papers would be there for the 3 different levels, level 1, 2 and 3, and then there will be separate paper for each level. While in CIA challenging there will be only one level and there will be only one exam, right? So you have to just write one exam and then you will be able to become CIA. Now the question is, if there is a system in which we can give one single exam and we can become CIA, why should we give 3 different levels? Because there is a one difference called the eligibility. CIA challenge exam is applicable to CAs and CPAs only. You must be carrying a chartered accountant degree or a CPA degree, only then you will be eligible to enroll into this challenge exam, or we can say only then you will be able to get the CIA certification by going through the single exam only. While for three-part exam, any of the graduate can write this exam and become CIA. Again I am repeating, I am saying about the graduate. He is not necessary to be a commerce graduate. He can be science graduate, he or she can be arts graduate, right? So but graduation is mandatory. Apart from it, there is some experience is also required. So this is about the requirement, or we can say eligibility criteria of both of the courses. In both of the courses you will be awarded a designation called CIA. Even on the certificate, it is nowhere will be written that whether you have completed this certification through 3-part or through the challenge exam, right? So in both of the cases the certification will be same and the designation awarded will be the same. You will be able to add CIA as prefix to your name, right? So in this way there will be the total, and we have discussed about the eligibility. Now moving on to the syllabus part. When we say about the syllabus part, so in the CIA challenge exam and in the 3-part exam, when we say about 3-part exam, in the 3-part exam there are actually, as I mentioned, level 1, level 2 and level 3. So for example, I am just taking an example. In the level 1 there are 7 chapters, in the level 2 there are, for example, 9 chapters, and in the level 3 there are just assume 12 chapters, right? So in this way 1 to 9, 1 to 7 and 1 to 12 chapters are there. While in CIA challenge exam 100% of the syllabus of level 1 is there. I would say 100%. Level 1 complete. and level 2 approximately 70 to 80% syllabus is there, while for the level 3 there would be around 50 to 60% of the syllabus is there. So in this way the CIA challenge exam consists of almost 200 to 120% of the syllabus of 3-part exam, and a person will be able to become CIA. Now you will be saying, if a person has only studied this portion, what's about the rest one? When a person has not gone through the rest of the syllabus, how he will be able to complete this? How he will be able to get that knowledge, and in absence of that knowledge, why he is given an equivalent certification, right? Actually it is considered whatever the remaining syllabus is there, 20 to 30% and 40 to 50% remaining syllabus, it is considered that as you are a CA and CPA, hence it is assumed that you have already gone through this study material. You already have the knowledge and experience about this remaining portion. Hence the IIA is not asking you to repeat, to revise your syllabus, reappear into the exam related to these concepts, and then you can become CIA. No, it's not the case, right? So it is considered as you are a certified chartered accountant, so hence you are supposed to be carrying this kind of knowledge. Hence you don't need to again appear into the exam related to this concept, these concepts, right? So this is about this syllabus, level 1, level 2, level 3, while the total it will be same. Passing percentage is same in both of the cases. You have to obtain 600 marks out of the 750 marks, right? Here also you have to get the same marks in all of the 3 exams. You also here you have to get the same marks in this particular one exam. So we can say, for example, there are 100 questions in a level, so you will be getting 100 questions from these chapters in this level, 100 questions from these chapters, and then 100 questions from these levels. While in this you will be getting the 100 questions from entire this syllabus, right? Clear. Moving on to the next point, when to write the exam. Whenever we say about the examination schedule, so in the 3-part exam, and then another we have the challenge exam. In the 3-part exam, you can give exam 12 months a year. 12 months a year. Any time in the year you can give that particular exam, right? It means you have to select the date and time of whenever you wish to give that exam, you can give. While in challenge exam, it's not that open. Out of these 12 months, only twice or thrice in a year, and sometimes 4 times in a year, the institute declare a particular month in which you have to give the exam, right? Right now, the upcoming exams will be in the November 2022, and then if you miss this exam, you can give in February 2022 also. February 2023, sorry, right? And similarly, once this November month is over, they will be disclosing about the next examination pattern. So almost we can say in the 3 to 4 times in a year you can give that particular exam. But this entire window is for a particular month. Again, you will be able to select your date and time of this particular month, right? So in this way, this is the primarily difference between both of the courses. Designation is same, study material is also almost same. Just the difference is you have to write 1 exam, you have to write the 3 exams, and obviously there is some difference in the fee structure of these 3 levels, right? Moving on to the next one, how to study. How to study for CIA level, 3-part exam, or for the challenge exam. So when we say about the study, so the main important point is in the 3 levels you have to write the 3 exams. That's why you have to prepare for all of these 3 papers individually, or you can study for the entire syllabus and then you can give the exam one after another. There is no minimum difference required in these 2 exams. Like level 1 you have given today, and after a couple of days you can give level 2 also, right? Now moving on to the study material. So as far as 3-part exam is concerned, and then again as far as the challenges are concerned. So when we say about this challenge or the 3-part exam, institute will not provide you anything, right? They will be just asking you to pay the membership fees and the examination fees. They are not charging anything from you, so you will not be able to get anything from the institute. Whatever the study material you need, you have to buy it from the market, and then you have to study it. or there are some prep courses given by the institute, obviously after charging a, I would say, huge amount, and then you will be able to get that material and you can study it, right? So there is no study material is being provided by in the 3-part exam. While in the challenge exam, you will be getting a number 1, a detailed book, and then you will be getting the practice questions. These two things you will be able to get while paying the fees for examination, because in that examination fees they have added the cost of this prep course also, right? Now moving on to the point, how we as an Academy of Internal Audit will be able to help you. So number 1, we used to provide the classes for both of these courses, CIA 3-part exam as well as for the challenge exam, right? Whenever we say about the AIA services, so AIA will provide, in case of 3-part, number 1, you will be getting the study material from us. Number 2, study material means you will be getting the book, our short notes book you will be getting. Second, you will be getting the practice questions, we will be providing the detailed practice questions. Number 3, we will be providing you live or recorded lectures, right? The lectures are given by me, the classes are taken by me only. Just to introduce myself, I am a Puneet Garg and I am a chartered accountant, certified internal auditor, certified fraud examiner and company secretary by qualification. I am carrying around 15 years of experience into the internal audit. I have conducted various internal audit assignments and the forensic assignment across multiple countries across the globe, right? So in these classes we will be able to share not only the academic, not only the theoretical part of this concept, along with it I will be sharing the live, I will be sharing the practical knowledge, practical aspects of these concepts also, so that the same will be helpful in your career as well. So we will be providing all these things, study material, practice question, live and recorded lectures. Then we will be conducting the mocks also, and the examination enrollment guidance and support. So there is a dedicated team who will be helping you how to enroll into the examination, and a step-by-step guide will be provided, right? So nothing to worry about it, everything will be provided in our 3-part course. Now moving on to the challenge exam. So as the detailed book and practice question is also already there, already with you, already part of the registration fees, but you will be getting, number 1, you will be getting the short notes. You will be getting our short notes, which will be very much relevant to clear the exam, right? So we will be giving that short notes in hard copy. Practice questions already with you. Obviously there will be live classes, there will be live recorded classes, and then there will be mocks also, and examination enrollment will also be there. So we will be providing entire end-to-end support in relation to the CIA challenge as well, right? So in this way I try to explain the difference in both of them. So the good part, what I would like to tell all of you is that from 15th October we are going to start our next batch of CIA. In that, CIA 3-part exam and the CIA challenge exam students are invited to join. As far as 3-part exam students are concerned, as I mentioned, level 1s and level 2 syllabus are level 1, level 2, level 3 part of the syllabus is there. So we can say the level 1 as well as the CIA students are invited to join that batch. We will be having very limited seats because this is gonna be a live session and we will be interacting. Make sure this session is just an online live classes, so it will be on virtual mode. You can attend each and every class by the comfort of your home only. You don't need to travel anywhere in the city and outside of the city, right? So I will be taking those classes and we have only limited seats only, and if anyone interested you can be in touch with our team. Our team is available at our WhatsApp number 9311320114, right? If you wish to get the detail, you can ping on this number, or another number is there 97175 You can be in touch with any of these numbers. You can preferably you please WhatsApp on these messages. We will be able to reply to your message, or you can call to this numbers also. Again, for the international students, I am saying I am from the India, so the country code will be +91 only, right? Understood? In case of any query, please do let us know in the comment section, or you can message us. We will be happy to help you. Right? Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.